I have a disease. I'm allergic to stupid shit. Now, if you got the same disease, you know it don't start when you're an adult. It starts when you're a child. I can remember being in school, the teacher said, "Cat, stand up." Bitch, I am standing up. I hate her so much, I really do, Fat Joe. She said, "Spell kitchen." So I sounded that motherfucker out as I had been instructed to do. Kitchen, kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N. She said, very good, spell knife. Now once again, church, I sounded this motherfucker out. Knife. Knife.